well, here we have one out of my 2 thrift store finds today. It is a 1950s Roto-Aire box fan. Model 07104, 2-speed. Handle's broken. It came with this handle that was on there because the original one broke. It's a 7-wing fan. You can't really tell because the grill is the slats are so small, but it is actually a 7-wing fan. And it has an awesome startup sound. Here's the back. It's disgusting. See there, $10, but today everything was half off, so it was actually only $5, and it says warehouse only. That was written on there by the people the thrift store. Again, it was brought on 10/18, 2 days after my birthday. It's heavy, and I don't want it sitting on the cord either. It always bugs me when appliances sit on their cords. They're not supposed to, at least for long periods of time. Okay. But with any further ado, here is high. It's not very loud, actually, but it blows a ton of air. There's dust in it. It's blowing out dust. Here's low. Don't know what that sound was. You can't really see the blades. That's one thing that's interesting. The blades are in a color that's very hard to see, especially with the grill design. But there they are. I'll turn it around so you can hear the startup sound. We'll do a startup sound on high and low, because the low startup sound is really nice too. So here is a high startup sound. It does have a wood grade finish on the outside, which is very nice, and the slots for the cart. Top is disgusting. And there is one grill piece on there that's broken. In fact, this cabinet is so wide I can stick my finger in and I don't feel the blades. Now we'll do the epic startup sound on low. It does vibrate a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. And of course we'll do a spin down from high too. I'm not sure if this was made by... I don't think Roto-Aire was a brand. I think it was a marketing brand. I think if Roto-Aire was a marketing brand, I think that this may have been made by Lakewood. It was either Lakewood or Hunter, I think. It has a 7-wing blade, kind of like a Hunter EXL, so it could be made by Hunter, but I don't know. But that's it. Roto-Aire. Alright, I decided to film this since it's hard to see the blades with the grill on. This is what the blades look like without the grill. They're actually blue. I'll run it with them off if I can find the cord. I figured I'd show you guys because you can't really tell. I'll just do low. Oh, the crap's gonna come out. Oh god, look at the bottom. It's nasty. That's high, sir. That's low. Be that thing. But yeah, you can see it's blue, 7 wings. It's very interesting. Ooh, and the blades are actually pretty heavy. They're not that light, like on that thing, which is my work fan. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you that because it's pretty cool looking. Also, another thing. This actually takes a socketing screwdriver to take these off. They're not traditional Phillips screws. They're a 1/4 size for a socket, which my only guess is anti-theft, so people can't steal the grills, but that I don't think that's why. But that's it. And here it is, all clean. Check this out. I even went ahead and... Well, I can't show you, but I don't have it. The person that had this before used duct tape to secure the handle to the top, which is fine, because when I took it off, it didn't peel the paint, so that's fine. But they used bright red duct tape, like that. Or that down there. So I went ahead and, just to make it look a little better, put brown duct tape. But as you can see, works great now. I just have to do the grates still. That's it for that now. And here's the finished product. Let me turn this off. Check this out. The Goo Gone also kind of helped get rid of the Sharpie. Clean the switch, reduct tape the handle, but the sides are the main attraction. You ready for this? Whoa. Look at how pretty those are. Camera ain't gonna pick it up. This side it might. Oh yeah, here we go. Look how pretty that is. Cutouts for the stand if you wanted. Ooh, this thing is like monstrously heavy. There's the back, all clean. As clean as I could get it with a laundry tub. Handle. I re-put the handle on. It actually has duct tape up there because if not, this will just fall down. So, without further ado... Oh, so interesting point here. The original duct tape that was holding the handle was bright red, like that. And I think I showed you, I put brown duct tape on it. You can't really see it well. There, you can kind of see it. There. You can't really see it. I think I told you that already. But you can see it through there. So, without further ado, in fact, we're going to turn the dryer off so you get the full effect. But, here we go. For the first startup since cleaning. Here is high. Check that thing out. Makes a little bit of noise, but I can fix that. Here's low. Alright, well, now we will turn it around. Roto-Aire! This thing is monstrously heavy. It's got to be 10 pounds. And we'll do a low startup sound. I'm guessing what that probably is that the blade hub is touching the motor, like, too much. I don't know. But here's a high startup sound. Sounds great. Of course, it's going to stop quick because it A, needs oil, or B, it just needs to loosen up a little. Yeah, it does. I'll probably leave it on low to let it loosen up a little bit. But that's it. That is the... Well, you're seeing the back. Ooh. Roto-Aire, model 16... 07104. That's it.